I am Tahir Khan and today we will discuss what is Shopify Aliexpress Dropshipping. In this tutorial we will discuss the following things. First, what is Aliexpress, then what is Shopify, then what is Shopify Aliexpress Dropshipping, total expenses, and then for the words of motivation. So let's jump into today's tutorial. What is Aliexpress? Aliexpress is one of the biggest Chinese retail shop and it is made by Alibaba, one of the e-commerce giant, in which you can buy cheap products and their shipping methods are really good. You can ship directly to the US in just 6 to 10 days using e-packet shipping. So really a good retail shop, and 90% plus dropship are doing dropshipping using AliExpress. You can check there are billions of products on a good rate. So next we will discuss what is Shopify. Shopify is one of the biggest e-commerce store maker in which billions of stores are made. It is very user friendly. Yeah, even a non-tech man can easily build a store in just an hour if you can learn it very easily. So you can go to their website and check. Very secure, very good hosting, and they are one of the best. I don't recommend you WordPress and any other because they are very hard to learn. You will take a lot of time. You need a developer for it. For Shopify you don't need any developer. You can make customize your theme easily. I will teach you all these things in the next videos. So the next thing we will discover is Shopify AliExpress dropshipping. So we basically do that. We connect AliExpress to our Shopify store using an app which is a Bordeaux app, number one dropshipping app. So we connect both these things, like we add this product which is children clothes of $6.50, and we set the profit margin of $10 on this product. For suppose we sell the same product in $16 in our Shopify store, so we will directly get the profit of $10 when we get any sale, and we simply order the same product using a Bordeaux app through the supplier, and the supplier directly ship this product to the customer which you have. We use the Oberlo which will make the process very easy. You can fulfill your order in just half a minute. So the next we will discuss is total expenses. Total expenses for starting a drop shipping is just you need a Shopify plan for this. Shopify provide different plans like $29 plan, $79. For the beginners I recommend $29 plan, which because it has all the things which you need to start. We will discuss these all things in the next videos. Also how to get free trial and how to get other things we will discuss later. So this is the basic overview. You only need $29 to make a Shopify store, and AliExpress and Oborlo is all free. Your store is start running in just $29 per month, and your marketing budget depend upon you how much you want to invest in marketing and other things. So the words for motivation for today is let's jump into this business. This business is quite amazing. It has changed the life of millions and billions of people around the world. It has no boundary. Dropshipping has nobody. You can start from Asia to Africa to Europe to US. You can start from anywhere if you have the determination of hard work. So I recommend everyone stop thinking, jump into this business. You will learn a lot of things. If you not get a lot of sales or profit, but you will learn the things which you can resell them. So that's for all today motivation word.